Before we begin with today's market analysis, I would like to mention our new channel membership options. This is a special introductory offer which will open access to members-only trading strategy videos that are based on high-value, high-conviction investment strategies and are characterized by superior risk-to-reward metrics that target massive, market-beating returns over time. Please note, this is a limited time offering of just $9.99 per month, but members that sign up during this introductory period will be able to lock in this new low rate for the entire duration of the membership. Again, this early sign-up period will allow you to lock in this low introductory membership rate for life, and these new low introductory rates will only be made available for a limited time. Monthly membership prices will be going up after this short introductory period ends. With these comprehensive, members-only trading strategies, I only choose high-quality, high-conviction stocks that are easily accessible, with relatively low share price values that are designed for easy trade positioning, and combined long-term trading gains are expected to far outperform the monthly membership rate of just $9.99 per month. Join now to lock in your low introductory rate and start trading stocks with the pros. Now back to the video. Okay, here's the current market update for AMC Entertainment Holdings, stock ticker AMC. So as we can see here, the stock is clearly having a negative day to the downside. And what I wanted to look at first would have just been some of the other, quote unquote analysis pieces that have been posted by some other people that are covering this stock. So just to show some of the stark differences here between perception and reality, like what is actually going on here. So just in the most recent video here, we can see get ready to fly, back-to-back catalysts. Bottom is in 1 hour ago. Okay, I don't think the bottom was in 1 hour ago. AMC, GameStop, stock urgent. This happens next. AMC, GameStop, $500 per share. Wake up early. Okay, so $500 per share. Here it does seem to be saying that it could be $12 for AMC. I guess possibly GME would be the $500 stock, but here we can clearly see that the stock is not trading at $12. So if I had woken up early that day and seen that video, I mean, would I have capitalized on something like that? I just don't understand how these people get away with making these types of claims that never turn out to be true, as in like never. Like there's never any accuracy here at all. So it's just very strange to me that people would click on these or even that these videos continue to get made, because it's just complete nonsense. It makes absolutely no sense. So as we can see here, the share price itself is clearly heading in the negative direction. There are some somewhat obvious reasons to explain this, and anybody that actually just takes a minute to look at the chart can see some of these things. We have been pointing out some of these factors here that would possibly suggest that some selling pressure is likely to start entering the market. In particular, what I've been pointing to here is roughly this 575 level. These highs really did come in at 573, and this was the level that I've been watching here. And I've been asking people, in the comments to sort of think about where they believe short sellers are going to start entering the market, because this is the main question. I mean, this is the whole ball game here with these stocks: GameStop, GME, and AMC. The question here is, where are short sellers going to be entering the market? And in my view, this was likely to happen near this 575 mark. I was really calling it 573. So as we can see here, there's a major top that formed here, not a major bottom. The bottom was not in, the top was in, at least near term. This does not mean that the stock cannot move higher later, but I'm just not understanding how people are able to get away with making these ridiculous claims every single day. It's not just once or twice; it's literally every day. So and these are literally never correct every single day. I just don't understand how this type of behavior continues on this platform. So what I was trying to call attention to with AMC specifically would have been this prior high here. These highs were really coming in at 571 and 573. That would have been the high from July 24. Wait, is that true? Sorry, July 8, 2024, and July 17. So this is really the price level that I've been watching here. We did kind of call this turnaround, this base here that formed in the stock, which occurred sort of toward the end of June. And we did start to see runs higher. There were several reasons for that. If you want to go back and look at my prior videos to explain this upside here, those are fairly well detailed. And I explain exactly why I was expecting this rally here to unfold. And I was also expecting in more recent videos why I was expecting selling pressure to start to develop near this 575 level. Well, lo and behold, look what happens. If we go to the July 22nd candle here, this is the hourly chart. But so the highs from July 22nd come in at what? $5.75. I mean, this is almost exact, almost to the penny. It's very difficult to get a stock prediction correct to the penny like that. It doesn't really, it's not really something that you can expect to happen. And here, it's exactly what happened. I mean, all we have to do is kind of extend the trend line here. So, this is a very obvious development here. And this is why I've been asking people to think about, where do you think that the short sellers are going to start to enter into the market? This is the real question to be asking. It's not these ridiculous videos that just kind of find some random tweet somewhere and then they just kind of read it to people. I mean, that's complete nonsense. It's just a total waste of time. I don't know why people do it. So, currently, where do we stand? We're currently below all of the exponential moving averages on the hourly chart. In addition to that, we're also seeing some negative crossovers within those moving averages. In particular, I can point to this yellow line here, which has clearly crossed below this blue line, which is the 200-hour exponential moving average. So the 20 hours crossing below the 200-hour. That's a bearish signal. In addition to that, you've also got this orange line here crossing below the purple line. The orange line is the 50-hour exponential moving average. The purple line is the 100-hour exponential moving average. So as you can see here, this is also crossing over. These are two negative crosses that are occurring at the same time. It's not good, not a good sign. And it's also not good to be telling people that the stock is going to be moving to $12 per share, and you need to wake up early, presumably to buy the stock so that they can start, losing money on the stock. It's just completely ridiculous. So, currently we do have these negative signals here, these negative crossovers here, and we have lost support at this 490 level, which was an important level that I've been watching. So currently, the next level to the downside, we've already started to break some of this more minor support that was seen at roughly 465. So really now, if you're looking for a potential buy zone here, it's not at these highs here. Nobody's telling you to wake up early and make sure to watch this video. You need to exercise some patience is what you should be telling people. So instead, what we really need to be focusing on at this point would be a potential decline back into this 440, 430, 440 area, because this would mark the next potential support zone to the downside. The only thing that would really stop me from making that type of assessment would be if we were to see some changes in the trading volumes that we're currently seeing. Currently, we're still seeing these major spikes in negative selling pressure, and this does suggest that there's a lot more selling activity rather than buying activity in the market. These clickbait videos they're not inspiring people to do things. I don't know what the goal is there, but clearly we can see here that the majority of the pressure in the market is focused on the downside. That's what's becoming clear in these trading volumes here. So these are the factors that need to be watched if you're actually going to be trading this stock. It's not some random tweet that some weird ghetto dude found on the internet somewhere. So here's the current market analysis for AMC Entertainment Holdings, stock ticker AMC.